Originally, I was looking for a company that would assist with my IT needs at my small company. I'm not that tech savvy, so I wanted professionals. And I did what everybody else does. I searched online and found and hired a remote IT service. At first, everything was going smoothly. Well, I picked the IT company, and soon after I downloaded their software, including an antivirus software that I had already heard about, something strange happened. I received a strange pop-up on my screen, immediately followed by a phone call from the IT company saying that they had seen that I received a malicious pop-up and that it could be removed by them for a fee. I trusted their advice, and I paid them to remove the malicious program. Well, that's just it. They didn't really handle it. And it got worse. A few days later, the same pop-up reappeared, followed by another phone call from the IT people claiming that they had seen the threat. Again, they said that they could remove it if I paid them, so I did. And then it happened again. At which point I thought to myself, I'm being scammed. Exactly. How was I supposed to know? Luckily, I have a friend in the FBI, and I asked her what I should do, and she told me to check out Rubica cybersecurity, so I did. After I explained what happened, Rubica agreed that this was most likely a scam. Their cyber analysts took a look into my network traffic and confirmed I had a remote access tool embedded in my computer, meaning the fake IT company could infect my devices. Well, it turns out I had two rats. Remote access Trojan, this is a very nasty type of malware, discovered in my computer. And Rubica was able to help me remove the tools that were enabling the fake IT company access to my computer. And they removed the malware. And an interesting fact, Rubica told me that it wasn't a malicious file that was causing the threat, which is why my antivirus wasn't picking it up, but rather a legitimate program being used maliciously. And because Rubica has real people working on my case, they were able to catch the threat and mitigate it. Well, I want to thank Rubica for helping me save my company from threats that could have shut it down. I feel better now that I'm safe with Rubica.